human behavioral science told us a long time ago that as a species we have a tendency to become enraptured, almost entranced by moving image, as this release the brain. More importantly, in the context of IFE, it transports the passenger away from their current stressful, cramped environment and back into the comfort of the lounge room. Passengers who fly use a greater amount of time in spent staring at the tiny screen in front of them, or more recently, their mobile device, as it displays their favorite show, movie, books, and games. Like it or not, airlines need to realize that very small IFE screen is a very large window into their organization. IFE system can have time on board fly by and genuinely drive the decision-making process when choosing future flight. We have reached a technological point where we can do some really innovative things with IFE, such as screen linking, internet connectivity, live messaging, on-demand meal ordering, virtual reality, not to mention something as simple as with modern consumer device expectation. So, as an airline, do we want our passengers to be relaxed during their time on board? Of course we do. So, why then do we not put more weight into IFE design, instead concentrating on seat fabrics and carpet choice? Quite simply, I believe this stems from the more traditional thinking of what effect customer satisfaction and like put to recommend numbers. By that, I am referring to the bad old days when IFE consists of a couple of projector or drop-down screens in each cabin. Even very recently, I've seen product teams sweat for hours over the color of aircraft interior, seat fabric, and carpet, but not even engaged in discussion around IFE interface design. When it comes to screens, any airline undergoing an IFE system upgrade should place capacity touchscreen right at the top of their shopping list. The user will experience difference between a capacity touch swipe versus the old resistive touch non-swipe screen. It's like the difference between day and night. Being able to interact with the IFE in a manner similar to a consumer tablet device really drives home the point that you are as an airline about your customer experience. Customer experience should not be undersold. It's a pity that a far more common set of consideration for an airline are those that are direct and financial, such as total system weight, organized system management cost, system life cycle management. By enhancing the IFE, offering the benefit base can be greatly expanded. Airlines who made the leap to see the IFE platform as a valuable customer tool can map the rewards directly through increased customer satisfaction ratings, sales revenue. Indirect benefit can include increase in business for advertising partners or subsidiary business, or even for the airline directly due to social media commentary. In summary, please clean the resistive screens and put some capital aside to build and maintain a modern interface. Then, watch your customer satisfaction rating rise. Thank you.